Well, hello, everyone, and thank you for joining us. I'm your host, Mona, and I'm here today with the president and the founder of Crypto Tax Audit, Clinton Donnelly himself is here. I want to talk about crypto amnesty initiatives as well, because you recently made a proposal about the IRS giving crypto traders amnesty and helping them get back into compliance. Can you share more of that initiative with us as well?
Yeah, I'm very passionate about this. I mean, we've been doing crypto taxes since 2018, and a lot of people had the same misunderstanding. So one year they didn't file the taxes, didn't think they had to for these very reasons. And then the next year comes around and it's a down year. They didn't think they made anything, didn't report their cryptos year after year until they realize all of a sudden, oh, I should have been paying all along. And now they realize they owe so much and their cryptos are worth so little that if they ever possibly reported these things, they would just be wiped out financially. And so
Mm.
they continue not reporting. And this is the case for many crypto investors. We know statistically there's roughly 50 to 60 million crypto investors in the US, according to Coinbase. And IRS
Wow.
statistics which suggest that as many as 80% of them are not reporting their crypto income, or some of them not even filing tax returns at all. I was at a
Wow.
conference in Miami and like every other person I talked to said, no, I don't file a tax return. Really shocked. So the
Wow.
problem is you're in the neighborhood of like 50% of the younger generation, people below 30
Yeah,
years of age,
millennial.
they all have cryptocurrencies, and a high number of them are already in a state of tax fraud without even realizing it. And the IRS is poised for a crackdown. They got 46 billion from Congress. Their Congress has weaponized them to go after specifically cryptocurrency investors. And I think, wait, hold on. The IRS needs to shout loud. Now's the time to come in before the guns are unleashed and give people a chance to get current. The IRS has done this before for people for foreign accounts. They basically said, you don't have to go back to fix all your tax returns, just like the last 3 years. And we'll waive all the penalties. You just pay the taxes and interest, and you can get back compliant again. And we're not going to give you excess scrutiny. And we need something like that because there's a lot of people that have gotten into a fearful situation and that they're hiding. We don't want to see 20% of the electorate be in a position where the IRS is targeting them for massive crackdown. I have a proposal. We have a website, CryptoTaxAmnesty.org, and it explains everything. You should contact your legislators, your two senators and your congressmen, and just say, hey, we need crypto tax amnesty now. And you should feel safe contacting your congressmen and your legislators. They're not going to turn your names over to the IRS. They just want to know that you're a constituent. And everybody needs to do this, whether you're a crypto investor or not. Either you or somebody you know needs crypto tax amnesty.
Wow. And by the way, if you guys are missing any of the links that we mentioned, our team will have those links for you in the note section of the video. Uh, every time, Clinton, we talk, I learn more and more about the complexity of crypto taxes. We're all just kind of paranoid to do what's right, right? And especially this year. But even doing everything right doesn't seem to prevent us from being audited by the IRS. So, as we start to close here, what's your advice for crypto traders and investors to protect themselves this tax season?
Well, do your best to report your income. Make sure it's a number you believe in, and then you'll be paying a tax that you can believe in. And then I also recommend to become members at CryptoTaxAudit.com. We can protect you when the IRS comes to audit. And we know that they're revving up their audit machine. And this is the best defense out there. If you have a lot of assets, this is a smart move for you. You mentioned just how there's so much to learn. It is a vast field, which, in my opinion, is why taxes are sexy.
I mean, you know why they're sexy? Because you make them sexy. Before we go, would you let the folks know once again about the Crypto Tax Amnesty Project? Because that is very important. And I know it's a passion of yours as well.
Yeah, everybody needs to do this. Go to CryptoTaxAmnesty.org. And we have a letter talking about it, and we give you instructions on how to contact your legislators. Everybody who's a crypto trader needs to do this. If we can get 60 million crypto traders to call up their legislators, we're going to turn the IRS's heads so fast, right? We do it for yourself, do it for your fellow traders.
So thank you for being here and sharing your knowledge and expertise. And I hope people who are listening at home, you reach out to Clinton and his team. And folks, be sure to check out Clinton's podcast again, The Clinton Donnelly Show. That's every Tuesday on Spotify, iHeartRadio, YouTube, and Rumble. You can follow Clinton on Twitter at CryptoTaxFixer. And you can also follow me on Twitter at Metaverse Express. That's Metaverse, the word Metaverse, and Express with an X. And my show airs every Thursday on YouTube. That's where I discuss hot topics in the Metaverse and Web3. Again, thank you all for tuning in. And if you need help, you know who to call, CryptoTaxAudit.com. Until then, remember, taxes are sexy.
Thank you very much for listening to today's show, and I hope you enjoy it. Please give us comments. We would love to respond to any questions you give us. You have tax questions that we can apply to. We will try to address it in future shows. Please hit like, subscribe, follow. Thank you. Have a great day.
The Clinton Donnelly Show, where we explore how taxation and regulations of cryptocurrencies affect your daily life as an investor. Clinton has a law degree in international financial regulation. He is an enrolled agent and certified as a cryptocurrency anti-financial crime specialist. He has clients in 71 countries. He is one of the top experts in crypto taxation in the US. This show is sponsored by CryptoTaxAudit.com, the income tax experts for US crypto investors. Are you frustrated with using online crypto tax services to calculate capital gains? Are you a high-frequency trader, DeFi, NFT, play-to-earn, or whale investor? Nothing is too complicated for the experts at CryptoTaxAudit.com. Are you frustrated that your accountant doesn't understand crypto taxes? Crypto Tax Audit uses a proven, bulletproof crypto tax return methodology to prepare a tax return that doesn't attract the attention of the IRS. Crypto Tax Audit also offers an exclusive Audit Defense membership service. It's like car insurance for your tax return. If your return gets selected for an audit of crypto reporting, they will defend you at no additional charge for the entire life of the audit. No one offers anything like Audit Defense membership. Go to CryptoTaxAudit.com to learn more and schedule a private tax consultation now. The opinions expressed in this show are not legal advice. Tax and regulations are complicated. Your situation is unique, so you should always consult a tax professional.